Hi, today we are with Chef Gilles.
Hello.
6 course of Jajanan Pasar with Chef Gilles. Let's go.
Wow.
Prepare your napkin.
Spongy, yeah.
And there's coconut.
Coconut. I think a bit of pandan also, yeah.
Yep.
It is like greenish and the top whitish coconut pandan, but I don't know the name actually.
Yeah, actually,
Okay.
thank you for describing everything to me. It's Putu Ayu.
Okay. We make a team. So
We make a great team.
What it is.
It's my favorite.
So the coconut and brown sugar. The crepe roll with the coconut brown sugar filling.
You're right.
The name, I'm not sure.
It's kue dadar.
Yeah,
It's the
that's it.
Indonesian version of crab.
Yes.
Exactly. Good job. Okay, babe. This is easy. I got it.
Coconut again, I think.
Yep. Definitely.
But I don't know what's the name.
Okay, the name is kue pukis. Kue pukis, is
Pukis,
it?
yes.
Woo!
That's
Yay! This is classic. All the kids love it. Like all Indonesian kids ate it growing up.
We have the spongy
Yep.
flavor again, a bit like when you cook this, they steam them, yeah? Steam.
Yeah, you're right. It's bolu kukus.
Yeah,
You got
bolu
that. Good job.
So this is number
Just
5.
trying to touch.
Yeah, texture is also
The
touching
texture is
part.
weird. Let me smell it. Oh my god, I just know it. I just know it. You gotta let me have this one. I'm
Okay.
not gonna let you score. I don't even have to eat it. It's from Medan.
It's yellow
Yes.
and it's fermented dough.
It's Bika Ambon.
Okay,
So
1,000 points. Okay, let's go.
We'll see who get it first.
Oh, I know already.
Wow!
Kueh lumpur.
I'm not even done!
I eat it so many times, you know.
I know it's sambar ayam. So good. Yay!
Don't worry.
Wow. You actually did great. You got so many. And then
I
yeah.
don't know the names mostly, but I know
Yeah.
what it is.
Yeah. Okay, thank you again for sitting us down at the chef table at Amus Gourmet.
We have to do this one again.
Yeah, can
Maybe
you
next
say?
time with French food, yeah?
Yeah.
So it gets a bit more
Oh my God.
challenging for you.
I don't know. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Gotta
Saya
say.
suka jajanan pasar.
Hey. See you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. We did great. Thank you so much. Cheers. Cheers to that. Cheers.